What actually happening here? So what I'm gonna do is just gonna go to the street, and that street should guide me straight into there. I'm gonna go quickly and see if I can see the scissor lift. I'm actually walking there, some minutes away. Can't block that. Look at this. Look at this. The remote has been taken. I can't take if that's not there. It's gonna slide if I don't. No. And now it's time for me to get out of here. Welcome back to Trucking UK, and where we left the last time was that I was going to lead. Can't even pronounce the name of it properly, but I am going right in the middle of the city center. I just need to find out which one or where's the right place. I know the streets, and I know that I need to go to a co-op. The only problem that I have is the contact number that I got hasn't answered the phone. And the other problem I have is right in the middle of the city center. There's nowhere where to stop. But hopefully when I get there, it's not going to be that many cars. So I'm going to start heading there. I'm going to look around and see if I can. See if I can't, it's going to be that's going to be a little bit of a problem. But on the way there, I will make another stop. Yeah, obviously trying to get in contact with a customer and see if it works. So let's go. We're ready to go in there now. Well, we're not going in there. We're just going yeah, we're going in there. I don't know what's going on in here, but it's a lot of police tape. Looks like somebody got, you know, pew pew here. What actually happening here? It's a bit weird, all that. A bit weird, a bit weird, a bit weird. So this way a bit more. Otherwise I wouldn't make that. Sweet. Alright, it's not looking so bad, to be honest. My only concern is, because we're gonna be in there, I need somewhere to park if possible. If there is not somewhere for me to park, I'm gonna have to block a lane, and that's gonna cause a little bit of murder for the next 10-15 minutes while I get them on. But I haven't got another option. Hopefully I come up with an idea of how to do it properly without bothering anyone, because the last thing I want to do is bother anyone in the middle of the road. Just gonna go to the New York Street, and that might make it a little bit easier. One way that way. It's actually just around that corner, but doesn't look suitable for a vehicle of this size, so we just go around. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna go to the street, and that street should guide me straight into there. So can't go that way right now, God's sake. This is not funny. I was checking all the possible ways in and out, and it's just it seems like a nightmare to get in there, so I'm gonna stay here and gonna see if I can. I'm gonna go quickly and see if I can see the scissor lift. I'm actually walking there, some minutes away, coming this way. Don't know, see the place first. I'm parked there, so that should be all right. Anyway, we find out in a minute. All right, this is the co-op, and that's my scissor lift. Can't block that, so I'm gonna take it with me and put the ramps down where I was. Where's the remote? Look at this. Look at this. The remote has been taken. I can't take if that's not there. You must be joking. It's some kind of brick there. Remote's gone. I asked in the co-op if anybody knows about it, but the remote's gone. As I suspect, they had it in there, so I was gonna take this over there. Find out how am I gonna get it up. If I drive here, if I drive the truck, I block that lane, but I'm gonna cause murder there, so I better take it over there. This is very, very difficult situation right now. All right, put my ramps down now. All right, nearly done. And then I got another one after this. All right, both of them close. Get the remote down, and then away we go. It's gonna slide if I don't. No. Get the winch down. Jesus. All right. The whole thing is done. Slowly. There you go. Touching it. Stop it. Get my keys out. Strap it up, and get everything done. So I'll be back in a second when I do all this. Alright, okay. It needs to slow down and then bend. Went quite fast. And now it's time for me to get out of here. I'm glad I stopped the recognition. Let's go. Alright, just double check there where I'm going. It's dead easy to find. It takes you straight there. So I'm just gonna get out of here. Yeah, just gonna turn that way. Alright, 22 minutes away. Get that one and then bang it on this. The job's good, so let's go. So just look everywhere just in case anyone get any ideas of jumping in front. Alright. Woo. Alright, it's green there. See you later, Leeds. What a nightmare this place is. Ha! But guess what? No matter how hard the job can become, we just get it done. Ooh. If you would have done anything different than what I did there, what would you have done? What would you done? See you later. Sayonara, alligator. Why would you even park in the middle there? People you sometimes don't think. Woohoo! All right, next destination, Wakefield. Wakefield. All right, we got a bridge which is 14 point nothing. So, well, we get through easy. So, let's get this thing on. Thank you. Cheers, Mum. Nice people around there. Hey. So we are looking for Unit 5, and the name of the company is. Anyway, we got a feeling that's 15 and not 5. But if it's 5, well, it goes from 18 to 1 and then 5, so it makes no sense. So I'm looking for 45. I just need to know where the sister lift is and what is the number, the unit number.
The what number, sorry?
The unit number.
45.
It's a 45. Yeah, all right. We can send the message.
I believe they're still using the scissor lift. Just bear with me.
All right, okay. Do you want to give me a ring, like, when you find out?
Just going now.
All right. Oh, you're here.
Just let me check. 2 seconds, mate.
All right. Okay, no problem. All right, they're still using the scissor lift. God. So they say about 10 minutes to finish repair. If they haven't finished, sounds like their problem, to be honest. I'm keen to collect the scissor lift, so it's down here. He just told me that, so keep going that way and then find out and then get that on and then we get going. So job's good. All right, okay. 38, 41, and he said to keep going as far as I can because the scissor they be on can't go any further, he said. Yeah, it's actually right at the bottom there. You actually can't get any further than that. So stop here, leave a little bit of weight for people to come in and out, and then put my beacon light. I love putting them beacon lights on. Actually keep it off. All right, they're still using the scissor. This is a tiny one anyway, but they're still using it. While they're using it, I just put my ramps down and put all my stuff down. Get going from there. All right, I already loaded this. That's a little bit of pain because the lads they were using still. I got another one to do, but I need to get going and I will catch you later anyway. I'm gonna put my ratchets on and then I'm gonna get going after that. So come on, help me out. Let's finish this and then I get going as well for tomorrow. I got a lot of things to do as well. So catch you in a bit. Anyway guys, thank you for watching.